Good afternoon. This is Principal of School, Dr. Sanjay Bhattacharjee. Today I want to talk about an initiative that School is going to take for a couple of days. It is a workshop to enhance the reading ability of our children from grade 1 to grade 7. The concern came from the parent during the PTM that many of the students there are unable to read fluently. And when I inquired about it, I found that there are some truth when these concerns comes. And what I understood that if we do something about it, probably we will be able to help the children to go for a better reading practices. So after giving it a good thought, I prepared a module which is called Read to Succeed workshop. The workshop is for 7 days, for a week. Every single day we will spend 15 to 20 minutes in the morning, and students will learn how to read effectively. The main purpose of this workshop is make the children fluent when they are reading something. Their expression should be matching with their voice modulation, and also when they read, they should understand what they are reading about. So it will cover the 3 dimensions of reading. One is understanding, one is implementation, and the other one is communicating with the proper meaning of it. The module will enhance to understand the tough or the difficult words. So what the teachers will do during the reading time, the first reading, they will be underlining the difficult words for the students. And those words will be written on the board. Children will be explained with the meaning and the application part of those words. Then the teacher, we are calling the teacher in here as reading buddy. First, the teacher will be reading it out loudly, and the students will copy them without any hesitation. Each will go for a practice, first reading, second reading, and third reading. After that, we will give it a pause, and then we will start with the normal schooling. Second day, the children will come back to the same repeated reading practices, but this time they will be able to understand the meaning of the words and how to use those words effectively. As the workshop goes by, third day or fourth day of the workshop, the teachers will start counting WPM, that means words per minute. From grade 1 to grade 7, we have a target of minimum 60 words per minute to 120 words per minute speed. This program will continue in 3 cycles. The first one will be for 1 week, and then there will be a gap for 2 weeks. Then again the third week it will start again for another week. Then again 2 weeks off, and then the third cycle which will be continuing for 10 days. I believe that after these 3 cycles are done, the students will be effectively able to read properly. And why focusing on reading ability? Because you know that any subject parameters, whether it is physics, chemistry, science, history, English, whatever it is, until unless the students are not able to read it properly, they will not able to understand the inner meaning of it. So reading is the basic to understand the concept. And the sooner we start about these reading practices, the effect will be even better for the students. So I sincerely request all the parents to cooperate with us. This reading practice will not be successful if the home practice is not there. What I want from the parental side, that after the school reading practices are over, at home please encourage your child to read minimum 10 minutes to 15 minutes a day, and hopefully or possibly reading out loudly. So let the children read out loudly, and this should be a supervised reading practice. Second thing is, when they are reading, ask them to write down the words that they don't understand the meaning. And third thing is, when they read, After that reading is over, a small discussion, a short discussion with the parents, siblings, grandparents, whatever it is. What did they understand from that reading practices? Trust me, if we follow this one, the reading problem in school or in class will be eradicated for the long time. I am not revealing the entire part of our workshop. The workshop itself will unfold that how this will be helpful for the children. But I want to be assured you that this workshop will be immensely helpful for the children. Thank you very much.